Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic doctor. Today I am going to tell you about the Anutailam. This medicine is called as Anutailam. Anutailam is mainly used for the procedure of Nasyam. Nasyam means putting oil drops in nose. Already I have made video for Nasyam procedure. So this Nasyam procedure is included in the Dinacharya in Ayurveda. It can clear three doshas in our body. For all the functions of all our sense organs, Nasyam procedure with Anutailam is very beneficial. Especially it is said that it is used for Urdhva Jatru Gata Vikaras, means the parts above the shoulder. For all the diseases above the shoulder is very helpful by the Nasyam procedure. For hair, if anyone is getting graying of hair in very early, they can use this procedure. For hair falling, for weak root of hairs, they can use this procedure. Next is for eye disorders. Nowadays many children are going with the online classes or IT section firm, who are working in IT section, and especially if someone is looking in the mobiles or in computers for very long period, they can use this Anutailam Nasyam. It will help for the improvement of our vision, and especially for headaches like sinus, migraine or allergic rhinitis, etc. Next is for the nose. For mainly it is for allergic rhinitis. Someone will be having allergic rhinitis, they can use this procedure. If anyone is getting very severe sneezing in the morning times or watering nose in the morning time, they can use this procedure. Like that, for sinusitis, for migraine or for headache, you can use this procedure. Again, for nasal polyp, if for nasal polyp also this procedure is very helpful. If you people are feeling that smell sensation is very less for you, then this Nasyam procedure will help to improve the smell sensation. If you are getting any difficulty in breathing, then you can go with this Nasyam procedure. For ear, tinnitus condition, and for throat problems, any throat infections, if you are getting frequently throat infections, then also you can go with this Nasyam procedure. Next is for nerve disorders. If you are getting stress or tension very frequently, or if you are getting any sleep disorders, or if you are having any spondylitis problem or frozen shoulder or cervical spondylitis, along with that, if you are having hand pain in the hand, then this procedure will help you very much. If your memory and concentration is getting down, if you're feeling like that, then also you can go with this procedure. Like that, if you're getting heaviness in the head and very pain in this facial region or in backside of the head, then this procedure will help you very much. And along with that, for facial paralysis condition or Alzheimer's condition, this procedure is very helpful. So these are the benefits of the Anutailam Nasyam. Next is for whom this Anutailam Nasyam should not be done. For especially for pregnant ladies and for small children, you can avoid this procedure. Then after getting early in the morning, you can take steam very well and you can go with this procedure, but not after taking food and all. So these are the benefits. So thank you.